On a rainy days, I have a lot of thoughts. I was with you, it reminds me of a memory. Knocking on the window at the sound of raindrops. My heart is quietly, it's shaking. On rainy days, I miss you under an umbrella. The days we spent together under a cloudy sky. I draw those memories. Even if you're far away, we're still together. After the rain stops